This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the Uncle Sam candy wrap. So I have the base part of my candy bar wrapper here, and I'm just going to go ahead and fold this on the score lines. Okay, and then we're just going to set this aside and work on the base. So let's go ahead and start here with the belly band. I think I'm going to pop this up with some foam tape. And then just add the hands. I think just putting a little bit just at the top of the hand where it's going to stick to the star. Okay, so that's your belly band. And now let's look here at our pieces. The mustache just fits right in there. You can see where he goes. And line that up side to side. I'm going to go ahead, I think, his jacket goes under, so you'll want to put his jacket on before you glue his head on. Oh, and his pants needed to go on first. Darn. So luckily, I didn't use very much glue. I apologize if you're following exactly along. Okay. So his pants are easiest to line up if you line up this center part here. Okay. And then his shoes. Okay, now we can put the jacket on. And then you can put his head on. And his bow tie. And I just put it right there at the tip of his beard. And now we'll put his hat together. Okay, and with this, you want the stripes up at the very top and then the band side to side. Okay. There he is. And then we glue him onto the base of the card. Top to bottom, side to side on the score lines, okay? Then you want to take your belly band and you want to loosely kind of pinch your sides here. And then I like to put glue just on the end of of each side to make sure they're going to glue down. And there he is. There is the Uncle Sam candy bar wrapper.